good, my people? We are back again with another gem. Listen, one of the most asked questions in my DMs, in my email, in my comments is, Josiah, Juvir, what are the best sources of passive income in the crypto space? And I'm gonna do it. I'm finally do it. I'm gonna break down for you guys exactly what my top 3 favorite types of passive income are in this crypto space. I'm also going to tell you guys exactly how much well, I'm not going to say exactly. I'm going to give you guys an estimate of how much I'm making every single day, per day, with these different sources of passive income in crypto. It's absolutely crazy what can happen in the crypto space. So if you're excited for this video, smash the like button, subscribe, and hit the post notification bell, because I'm dropping straight gems. You're going to want to be notified whenever I drop these gems, because if you wait too long, the gems might be bigger and then you get less for your buck. It's like I tell you to go buy a coin, it's $10, you know what I'm saying? You wait 3 hours, it's now $100 million. You missed out. But you know who didn't miss out? The people that got the post notification bell on. You know what I'm saying? So make sure you subscribe with the post notification bell. And let's just hop right into this. Before we get into it, I do have to tell y'all, you know what I'm saying, about my Patreon. We eating. I literally just posted a coin an hour ago. We're up 30% on it right now, which is absolutely freaking ridiculous. So if you want to be notified whenever I'm about to buy a coin, whenever I'm selling the coin, taking profit on the coin, you want to know what coin I hold? You want to know every coin I hold as of right now? Hit the Patreon up, you know what I'm saying? It's right there, patreon.com/JuvirsGems. It's the first thing inside the description. It's also in the comments up or down below. I don't know, I was about to say up above. But I'm dropping straight gems in there as well. But if you do not want to sign up for the Patreon, that's completely fine. It's up to you. You still get these free gems. We still all gonna be billionaires. It's just the Patreon for the people that want to take a step further, who want to get that inside scoop. But you still getting the inside scoop because you subscribed. If you're not subscribed, I don't know what to tell you. You're probably gonna be sad and lonely for the rest of your life, if we really talking about it. But now let's really hop into this video. All right, so boom, we're gonna start off with the least risky of these all, but this is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to do any of the things I'm doing as of right now. I'm not telling you to spend all your money on this. I'm not saying none of that. I'm simply just telling y'all what I have. You obviously have to do your own research. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not a CPA. I'm not an investment person. I'm not a broker. I'm none of that. We're just friends. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to put you on to what I'm on to so we can all eat, because everybody deserves to eat. You know what I'm saying? But the first source or first type of passive income that's in my top 3 list is yield farming. You know what I'm saying? I've made a video about this. This is probably one of my safer investors when it comes to passive income, and I'll explain to you guys why. I've made a couple examples about Celsius. I just made a video about Anchor Protocol as well. They're paying out these percentages annually on holding your stable coins inside of here. Celsius allows you to hold really any coin in there, or any of the top like 15 biggest coins in there. So like Ethereum, Bitcoin, all that different type of stuff. And they'll pay you out a percentage on top of you holding money in there. Anchor Protocol just allows you to put stable coins in there, which is actually really good, because you can put $100,000 worth of a stable coin into Anchor Savings. And right now they're paying out roughly 20% APY. So out of that $100,000 every single year, you're gonna make $20,000 completely passively. You don't have to do any work. You can go take that $100,000 out of Anchor Protocol whenever you want. But it is another great source of passive income. And as of right now, what I'm earning from using Celsius, BlockFi, and Anchor Protocol is not that much compared to the other stuff. But like I said, it's a lot less risky, because I do have stable coins in there, so the price does not fluctuate. So if the market crashes, my money is really just gonna be stable, you know what I'm saying? But as of right now, I'm making roughly $150 every single day from all of those 3 combined, which I mean is pretty decent. It's decent, you know what I'm saying? It's not crazy, but it's pretty decent for doing absolutely nothing. So let's hop to the next source. It's a little bit more risky, but I call this one my money printer. You know what I'm saying? I'll be eating good off of this one. My children's gonna thank me for these. So let's hop right into it. All right, so boom, nodes. Now, I made a video about strong block nodes, and I made a video about ring nodes. These things is printing money. You know what I'm saying? These things are absolutely printing money. I'm not gonna do a whole video on what they are. I can give you guys some that I'm in as of right now. I'm not saying go ape into them or go buy them. I'm just kind of gonna put them out there and expect you guys to do your own research on them, kind of just bring it to you guys' attention. Obviously, my Patreon people have been in on all of these. I'm not gonna say everyone I'm in right now, but I have strong block nodes, I have ring nodes, I have Thor nodes. I had samurai nodes, but those was really bad. That was an absolute mistake. But there's also another protocol that Lily just released yesterday that I put my Patreon people onto like a week ago, 2 weeks ago. They're called Nodion protocol. So those are just a couple you guys can look up. My two top ones are strong block nodes and ring nodes. And basically what they are is you buy these specific nodes. Let's say you have to spend, it is a very large or very big kind of gateway to get into these. You have to spend a lot of money to get into it. Strong nodes right now, to get a strong block node, you have to pay around $4,200 to get one node. And keep in mind, when you buy these nodes, you don't get that money back. It's not like Anchor Protocol or Celsius where you can take that money out. That money is now gone, and you have to recoup your investment back with the rewards that it pays you out. And the rewards vary for all these different nodes. As of right now, ring nodes pay out 0.5 ring tokens every single day per node you have. Strong block nodes pay out 0.1 strong token every single day. But if you compound these, and if you buy a bunch of them, not even buy a bunch of them, but if you have them, then you compound them, the results add up actually very, very fast. Because as of right now, from all of my different nodes put together, I'm making roughly anywhere between $1,100 to $1,800 every single day on these nodes, which is, just to even say that, is absolutely freaking ridiculous. That was my mind blowing. You saw? My mind just blew, you know what I'm saying? But I'm making a pretty good amount of money with these different nodes. Like I said, I made a couple videos about nodes, but I put my Patreon people onto every single node that I was in on, or am in on, or was in on, whatever it is, you know what I'm saying? But you can obviously search those up. You can find some yourself. If you sign up for if you follow me on Twitter too, I also tweet about a bunch of different stuff as well when they come to me. My Twitter is @Juvier_ or @Juvier99. It's something like that, you know what I'm saying? But go search me up on there if you want to. But we're gonna hop into my next and last top 3 source of passive income. Keep in mind the ring nodes, the strong nodes, the Thor nodes, the Nodion nodes, risky. They're very risky. The price could plummet, but I'm here for a long time. I'm here for a good time. Yeah, good time, not a long time. That's the lyrics, ain't it? I don't know, but we all here to make money. You have to take risks to make money, and I obviously knew that when I got into it, and I want you to understand you have to know that as well. So now let's hop into the next one. So you know I had to talk about my babies. You know what I'm saying? My DAO babies. I've made a bunch of videos about these different DAOs. I made videos about Time Wonderland, which is a DAO. I've made videos about Jade Protocol, Metaverse, Hector DAO, Olympus DAO. I haven't actually made a video about Olympus DAO, but Olympus DAO is the main one. It's the one that all of these forked off of, kind of copy and pasted. Pasted, is that the word? Paste? They copy and paste. Pasted. It's pasted. It's definitely pasted. But they're all forks based off the Olympus DAO. Olympus DAO. I don't know why I was saying I'm after that. But these are some crazy protocols and projects that pay out some insanely high APY percentages. As of right now, I believe Time Wonderland is paying out 71,000% APY. If you had told a brokerage or an investment person like 20 years ago that you wanted 70,000% APY on your investment, they'd probably slap you, steal your grandma, throw her behind the back, put her in a car, take her to the ocean, dump her off just because you asked something stupid like that. But today, that's pretty small. Because if you watch my other video, I made a video about another DAO that was offering so many digits of APYs, I did not even know how to pronounce the number. We've had some that was 2 billion% APY, 12 trillion% APY, all this different type of stuff. This is risky. Understand that? Very risky. All these DAOs, everything in cryptos, everything in life is risky. I could be sitting right here, a bird could come fly through the window, stab me in my eye. Living is risky. Me shooting this video is risky. This camera could explode and kill me right now. You know what I'm saying? But it's a risk I'm willing to take, because I'm trying to give y'all this good content. So make sure you smash the like button, because I'm risking my eye and I'm risking the camera exploding to make this video. That didn't make any sense. But back to what I was saying. They're offering some crazy percent APYs, which allows me to earn some great passive income on my investments. They're offering like 9% APY or 9% ROI in 5 days on certain protocols. Time Wonderland is paying out 9% as of right now every single 5 days. So estimate on average with these, keep in mind the price of these has went down a lot. So on average, I'm earning around $800 to $900 on, well, every single day with my DAO holdings. Now keep in mind, I do hold a bunch of different DAOs. Like I said, if you want to be kind of noticed on whatever I hold, my Patreon has everything. All my people on Patreon, they know what I hold. They know I'm about to get into a new day. I'm not trying to keep plugging Patreon, but it's just, I can't say like go to www.juveer's holding, like I don't have that. It's just on my Patreon, you know what I'm saying? But like I said, I made a bunch of videos about the different DAOs as well. So obviously do your own research on them. Not all of them are stable. Not all of them offer these 5-day rates. But with such crazy high 5-day percentage gains, it's actually ridiculous that I'm able to earn that much money every single day just by holding some money inside these DAOs. Keep in mind with these DAOs, it's different than these nodes. When you put money in the DAOs, you can take that money out. If I put $10,000 in there, I can take that $10,000 out as well as the earnings that I've made on top of it. So that is the end of the video. Hope you guys did enjoy it. If you were able to get something out of it, make sure you smash the like button. If you have any questions at all, I love answering questions. Comment them down below or hit me up on Twitter or Instagram. It's better to hit me up on Twitter, to be honest, because I respond more on Twitter. And yeah, if you want to better your life, subscribe. Smash the post notification bell, because I told y'all before, you're not gonna want to miss out on these gems, because these gems are gemalicious. You know what I'm saying? And if you want to take it a step further, make sure you sign up for my Patreon, patreon.com/JuveersGems. And that's really about it. Passive income is lovely. I love being able to play video games and make money. I love being able to sleep and wake up richer than I went to sleep. You know what I'm saying? I love being able to drive in my car and know I just made back the amount of gas I just spent, even though I don't pay gas. I have an electric car. You know what I mean, though. But that's the end of the video. Smash the like button. Good luck on all your kids. Good luck on all your moms. Good luck on all your sisters. Good luck on all your crypto. Good luck on life as a whole, man. And I'm going to see you on the next video.